Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Moonriver has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and now you can see that it is once again rejected by this long-term resistance of $8. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared, by the way, on 27th of September 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Moonriver formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone, the sell target zone, and the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And first it reached the sell target zone here. Then again moved down in the same buying zone. Then we had another pump. And this was almost 15% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after June 2022, when we found this support of the falling wedge pattern, it was moving inside this falling wedge. You can see we had a bounce here, we got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce, rejection, rejection, and this was the last bounce happened here in the month of September 2023. Then we finally broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And you can see that before the breakout, the price line also formed another down trend line resistance here. That was in fact the formation of another falling wedge pattern within the bigger falling wedge pattern. And I was telling you in those days when we were testing this support, quite long-term support here at $3.70, I was telling you that it is now quite squeezed, and therefore, as soon as it breaks out this resistance, then imminently it can also break out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern and the next long-term resistance of $4.70 as well. And you can see that it has broken out both resistance levels together here. And we had a quite powerful rally, by the way, from this low to this high. That was almost 137% pump, and the price, and you can see that got rejected by this long-term resistance of $8, and now we are about to test this previous resistance of $6 as a support. That has been previously working, this $6 level has been previously working as a support here and resistance here, and therefore again it can work as a nice support for the price line. Now if we take a look at the targets, then the target for the smaller breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at $8, and we have already achieved that target. And the target for the bigger falling wedge pattern breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.